Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hi friends, we are already familiar with the letter A now. And we also know a few simple words that start with A. But today we are going to learn how to write it. Are you all ready to become handwriting heroes? Grab a paper and a pencil and let's get started. Let's start by making a hill, a line going up and the same line going down. There's your hill. And now it's time to draw a bridge right across the middle. There you go. It's an A. Isn't it simple? Come on, let's make it again. A line going up and the same line going down and a bridge in the middle. One more time. Up, down and a bridge. Very good. You are amazing. Yes, amazing starts with the letter A. Now, let's come back to the A letter that we just made. This A is called capital A or an uppercase A. You can also call it big A. Funny names it has got. Capital A, uppercase A, or simply big A. Now let's write the small a. Start in the middle and draw a circle all the way around. Draw a short curved line down at the right corner side to give the small a small tail. Let's do it once again. Round we go and a little tail. Once again, round we go and a little tail. Small a is also called lowercase a. You did it! Very good! You are amazing writers. Keep practicing your A's today. Next time, we are going to find out what starts with the letter B. Don't forget to subscribe to Jingle Kids to join our next adventure. Bye!